Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve this very nice word problem where the question is, what is the ratio of area of a circle to the area of a square if their perimeters are equal to each other? Okay, and literally 99% of failed to choose the right options, because when you look at the options get quite tricky. There are no options with pi. Okay, so here how do we do this? Students, this question was asked in MSCT for MBA. Okay, so now let's understand how do we begin with this. So now we know the perimeters are equal. Now what is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. And what is the perimeter of a square? It is 4 upon side. Sorry, 4 into side. Now in order to find the value of side, okay, let's just cancel or divide both sides by 4. So this and this is cancelling. This is 1 za and this is 2 za. So from here I can say that side will be equal to what? Pi r upon 2. Okay. Now you want to find out the area, ratio of area of a circle. That is what? Pi r square upon side square. Right. Now you know already the value of side is what? Pi r upon 2. So in order to find the value of side square, let's do it over here only. So we'll do what? Square of pi r upon 2. Okay. So this comes out to be around pi square r square upon 4. So let's put it over here. We'll keep pi r square as it is. And then we have pi square r square upon 4. Now if you look closely, this is cancelling and this pi is getting cancelled and only one pi is getting left. So you are now left with what? 1 upon pi upon 4. Now please understand, when you have something like this, okay, for your understanding I'm just explaining here, a upon b upon c, then in that case the c gets multiplied to your numerator. So using the same logic, 4 will get multiplied to 1. So here what your answer comes out to be is 4 upon 22 upon 7. Instead of putting the value of just pi, let's put the value of pi in the fraction form, which is what? 22 upon 7. Now using the same logic, we can write this as nothing but what? 4 upon 22 into 7. Okay. Now if you look closely, 4 can get cancelled or can get reduced because 4 and 22, both of them are what? Even numbers. So now we are left with what? 4 into 7. The final answer comes out to be what? 14 upon 11, or we can also say this as nothing but what? 14 is to 11. Therefore, I can say option D is the correct option in this particular scenario. Now, that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.